Recently I needed to install a handle on my lid of a project, and I needed to put in some T-nuts, but I wanted the T-nuts to fit flat flush to the surface of the handle. So I'm going to use a spade bit here and just take off a little bit so that these fit flush when I put them on. That ought to do it to get them fit. Next up is, once I put the T-nut in, I need room for the bolt to extend down into the workpiece. So we're going to drill a hole now for that. Perfect. And the easiest way I found to seat these T-nuts straight and flush is, again, taking my little jig that I cut that represents where the handle's going to go, and I just put the nut through there. We'll screw on the T-nut, if I can get a hold of it before it runs away. And get it situated in the hole. Hammer it in. And we'll back it off. There we have it. Nice and flush and straight. Got the handle on my jig, bolted down, fits right there. Truth be known, it did take 3 attempts to get it centered. This was my original holes, and that was off just a bit. I drilled couple more, and that was off the other way. So the third time was the charm, and it was just right. Hence we use test pieces, and this will be, I've cut a number of these handles, so now that'll be my jig and a way to do it. Now with my jig on my final piece of planking held down by a double-sided tape, I'm ready to drill my holes.
And this is how I'm using my handle. I need to attach it to the lid of my outdoor storage box that I'm making.
Oh! Missed it.